Yeah, welcome to my channel. We're going to talk about a little thing here. Yes. What we're going to talk about is Tina. Yes. Yes, Tina. Come, make me reason. Yes, me hear you talk, say. And you voice me here anyway, so. Me just accept what me hear upon the media. Yes. When you talk about, I listen to one video, it was very disturbing. Say, the woman down at the shop, her cake her cause diarrhea and weight loss. And people not buy it because them I go put in the trash bin. I mean, hear one video before where you talk, say, nobody if you buy from her, they must buy from the local people, them are from you. But, me don't understand it because you say human cake not taste good, human cake come in like total. That's what me hear you say. But, the lady never did tell anybody say her cake tastes good, you know, listen to what she say. She said, a nyam bad cake. So, if people want to spend their money on nyam bad cake, and buy total cake or what kind of cake and put it in a them bin, it's up to the individual and for their money. You can't tell people to spend their money. Why you think a total to somebody, it's nice to somebody else. We all like different texture of cake. Some people like it light, some people like it heavy. Some people say Christmas cake for heavy. So it depends on what people like. And you can't tell people how to spend their money. Me hear you start something, I say, you're not gonna be professional this time. But me did hear you call the woman cake cow down last year, you forget. Because you say the first time you go come out. But you sure me did you say you did call me you for last year you come out and you come out one at a time if me can me remember because I have good memory people say. And you call your man cake cow down. Me never hear the man ever come out and call your cake anything or call your name and say this and say that but you cake them. So if you want to sell your cake lady, bake your cake and sell your cake them. But if you're gonna behave and make up sounds and say this and say that, no man, it's very childish and unprofessional. Yes, it's very unprofessional. When you touch up, yes, in order to have a business, you need to be professional, and how you behaving is very childish. Like little picnic at the playground. Say, me not like fear, it not taste good, this, that, and the other. You know, just get on with your own thing and leave people business and make them do them one thing. I don't see why you bother you about human cake. Human a sell her cake, and she have mind her own business, and she do her one thing. She have a radio station now and she do her thing. So let the woman do what she do and you do your thing. As here lady here talk the other day and she said everybody for sell cake. And yes, everybody for sell cake. And whatever people say or do you, it's her followers. She got no control over her followers what them we do, because some people no matter what, them I go stick up for somebody them like. And always I say somebody send out this and send out that, and I go say she send me out. Nobody not send me out. Me no pick me. Nobody not send me out. Me come out because when me see certain things on the media social, me come out and me talk about it, because you can't go on the platform and have an opinion because of the black people have on the platform. So my little platform over here to talk what me see. And from what me can see, yes, what you're doing is not very good. It's very childish. Yes, me I go talky and I saw me see it. Alright? That's it. End of.